This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, yes, can you hear me? Hello? Yes guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start session. So previous class, yes, linear search discussed. Yes, today topic is binary search. Binary search. Today topic is binary search. Yes, let us see what is binary search. About binary search. See, binary search is like this. Okay, let me start directly. Eclipse. Yes, what is binary search? Suppose there are some elements like this. Suppose each 10, yes, 15, suppose 18, 21, 25, suppose 30, 36, 42, 47, suppose 50, 58, suppose some 65, 68, suppose some 70, 73, yes, suppose 78, suppose 80, suppose 83, 88, 90, something like this. 1 second. 8, 12, 16. Okay. 20 elements. Okay, fine. 20 elements. Yes, 4, 16. Yes, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, these elements enough for better understanding here. Yes, index. So index 0, this is index 1, index 2, next index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, next 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, suppose 13, next 14, yes, 15, 16, 17, 18, yes, 18, next 19, last index is 19. Yes, index like this. Okay. Now what is binary search? Okay. So first is scanner. You enter number you want to search, reading number. Of reading number here. First this one binary search. Now these elements make it off. First you have to divide into off. In binary search, first we should divide numbers into off. How to divide into off here? For this purpose, we need some lowest index value. Suppose let us say L is equal to 0. Lowest index value 0. Starting index 0. Next highest index int H is equal to yes, that array dot length. Array dot length, highest index value. Length, yes, -1. Yes, a dot length gives 20. A dot length gives 20. 20 minus 1, 19. So lowest index is 0. Lowest index 0. Highest index is 19. So lowest index 0. Highest index is a dot length -1. That gives 19. Okay, so we got lowest index, highest index. After getting lowest index, highest index here, next we should make it off. Yes, let us see how to make it off. We'll see here. Yes, now while loop. See while loop iteration. Okay. Yes, lowest index L less than or equal to highest index. Condition is this here. Yes, lowest index less than or equal to highest index. Okay. Yes, less than lowest index is 0, highest index is 19. Okay. Yes, why this condition I'll tell you. Just wait. That condition reason I'll tell you. L is less than or equal to H. That condition I'll tell you. Wait. Now integer middle index is equal to L plus H. L plus H. L plus H. L plus H divided by 2. L plus H divided by 2 here. Okay. So L equal to 0. Yes, H equal to 19. L values. So this is L values 0 here. It's 0 starting 0. Yes, highest index H values 19 as per this, right? Now here middle index. So what is middle index here? 0 plus 19 by 2 means it's a yes 9. Actually 9.5. 9.5. 9.5 means that 0.5 terminates because integer by integer result is integer. L plus H, it's 19, it's integer. Integer by integer. Integer by integer result is integer. Result is integer. Just 9 like this. So getting this result is integer value. That middle index. Okay, it's integer. Okay, so now getting 9. Now check it. If your number, yes, 9. Middle index 9, right? So 9 here, this is 9 here. So middle index 9 means this is 9, right? Middle index. This is middle index 9. Okay, now we are at this location 9, middle index. Yes, this is now middle index, right? It's a middle index. Yes, now middle index. This is we are at this location, middle index. This is middle index. Okay, right? Middle index. Okay. So m value, m equal L plus H but 9. So this is middle value. Now this middle value, yes, let us compare. If your number double equal to that A of m middle value, compare with middle value. Just compare with middle value. Okay. Yes, if your number, enter the number you want to search. Now reading that number, your input number is equal to middle value. What is middle value? 47. Okay, then system dot out dot middle. Yes, your number. Yes, your number found at your number found at. Yes, your number found at. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I'll tell you that there are some conditions in binary search. If there are some conditions in binary search that we'll discuss conditions. C of m plus m plus yes closing that. Okay, right? Your number found it f of that. Here it's a yes. Suppose system dot system dot exit of 0. Stopping this is exit of 0. System dot exit of 0. Exit of 0. System dot exit of 0. Okay, right? Yes. Your number found at this location here. Okay, right? Yes. Now here, suppose enter number you want to search. For example, here, searching for some 73. Yes, requirement is searching for 73. Your number is 73. Searching for 73. Searching for 73. So that your number is 73. Searching for 73. Just searching for 73, right? So enter number you want search. So 73. L equal to 0. H equal to 19. So 0, 19 here. L is less than or equal to H. It's a true. This condition I'll tell you. What's the reason for this condition? I'll tell you. M equal to L plus H. So this is 9. So 9 is a middle index. So middle index is here, right? That middle number. Your number 73. W equal to A of 9. A of 9. What is A of 9? 47. 47. Okay. So this is false. This is false, right? This is false. If it is false, now check it. Else, yes, else if your number is greater than that middle index here. Suppose your number is greater than middle index. Okay. If it is two number matched, if not matched here, now this your number is greater than middle value. greater than middle value. Yes, true. Yes, 73. 73 greater than middle value. Middle value. Then searching between, yes, index 10 to index 19. Okay, your value, that middle, your number is greater than a of a middle value. Then searching between this and this. That's it. Searching between this and that. Okay, right? Yes. So the searching between this, yes, index 10 to index 19. So what is happening here? Highest index same, but lowest index changes, right? Now here next step here. Now lowest index is 10 here. Okay, lowest index we should change lowest index. Okay, highest index no change, but lowest index is 10. How to get 10 here? How to get 10? So 9 plus 1, 10, right? 9 plus 10 here. So your number is greater than middle value here. Now lowest index equal to m plus 1. That's it. M plus 1. M plus 1. Yes, lowest index is now m plus 1. Lowest index L equal to m plus 1. L equal to m plus 1. So what is now L value? M plus 1. What is current value of m? It's 9. So 9 plus 1 is at 10. It's at 10, right? Now lowest index value becomes not 10. Now it's at 10. It's at 10, right? Suppose if num is w equal to a of m, middle value false. Yes, yes. Next, num is greater than middle value false. Then else what? Less than middle value. Else less than middle value, right? Else less than middle number. In that case, what happens here? See, number is w equal to a of m, number is found. Stopping or such. So false. If not match, check it. Else if num is greater than a of m, is it greater than middle value? Then L equal m plus 1. Suppose is false, else what? Less than middle value. Less than middle number. Less than the middle value, right? Means between this and this. Less than the middle value. Less than the middle value. So less than the middle value. Then searching between this and this, right? Means first element to this index 8. Index 8, right? Lowest index is 0 only. But what is highest index? 8. Yes. Lowest index is 0. Lowest index 0. But highest index 8. How to get 8 here? Yes, how to get 8? How to get 8? Lowest index 0. But highest index 8. So how to get 8? Else h equal to yes, h equal to m minus 1. Just h equal to m minus 1. Make it m minus 1. That's it. H equal to m minus 1. Now in our case, its number is 73. 73 w equal to middle value. It's a false. Now 73 greater than a of m. Yes, it's a true. Now L equal to m plus 1. So what is L value? Now it's a 10 here. 10. L value is 10. H is 19. That means between 10 and 19, searching here. Between 10 and 19. Now searching between 10 and 19. 10 and 19. Between 10 and 19. So between that index searching, right? Okay, fine. L equal m plus 1. After this, go to bottom. Yes, no statement here. Again, go to starting of this condition. L is less than or equal to H. L is less than or equal to H. Okay, L is less than or equal to H. What is L value? 10. What is H value? 19. So 10 less than or equal to 19, it's a true here. Now again, make it off. So between 10 to 19, right? Between index 10 to 19, again we should make it off. Again we should make it off here. So how to make it off? 10 plus 19 by 2. So what is next value here? 10 plus 19 by 2 means 29. 29, right? 29 by 2 means 14. 14. Now middle value is now 14. It's a 14. It's a 14, right? It's a 14. It's a 14. Num is 73. W equal to a of 14. So a of 14. Now middle value is 14 here. Let us go to index 4. This is index 14. This is index 14. Index 14. Index 14. Index 14. At index 14, 70, right? Yes. What is our number? 73. Our number is 73 here. 73 W equal to a of m. What is m value? Say 14. That means a of 14. It's a of 14. Middle value. M is 14. A of m is a of 14. So what is a of 14 is 70. So 73 W equal to 70. 73 W equal to 70. It's a false. Go to L spot. Now 73 greater than 70, it's a true. Num is greater than a of m, it's a true. This is true. So again changing L value. L equal to m plus 1. L equal to m plus 1. Now L value m plus 1. 14 plus 1. It's a 15. Now L value changes. Okay. L value is 15. H value is 19. That means searching between 15 and 19 here. 15 and 19. Like this, half of the element skipping like this. Half of the elements. 15 and 19. 15 and 19. Okay. Yes. After this, now L value is 15. So this is after this statement. Go to bottom. At this bottom, nothing. Again, go to starting. L is less than or equal to H. L is less than or equal to H. It's a true here. Now again, make it off. So here this is. See. Yes, 15, 19. L value is 15, H value is 15, 19. So between 15, 19. So between 15, 19. So between 15, 19. So again, make it off. This one, make it off. Just make it off here. This one, just make it off. Just make it off again here. So making off. So this is 15, 16. Here this is 17. Yes, now let us make it off here. So 15 plus 19 by 2, M equal to. So what is this value? 15 plus 19, 34 means 17. So its value is 17. Middle value is 17. Means this is middle value. Now middle value. Middle value, this is middle value. Middle value, right? Yes, now check it. L is less than or equal to H. What is L value? 15. H is 19. Yes, yes, sorry, already completed. Yes, 17. 17, okay. Now number is 73. 73 W equal to A of M. What is A of M? A of 17. What is A of 17? It's 80. 80. So 73 W equal to 80, false. 73 greater than 80, false. Else, now highest index changing here. H equal to M minus 1. H equal to M minus 1. So what is highest index value now here? M minus 1. 17 minus 1 is 16. 16. Simply 16. So lowest index 15, highest index 16. That means 15, 16. Between 15 and 16, now we are searching. Okay. Yeah, for finishing this, go to bottom. Again, go to starting. L is less than or equal to H. So L is less than or equal to H. L value is 15. H is 16. So 15, yes, less than or equal to 16, it's a true. Now middle value. Yes, 15 plus 16 by 2. Yes, is equal to 15. 15 plus 16 by 20, 31. 31 by 2 means 15.5. Dot 5 terminates because of integer by integer. So 15 getting. 15 getting. See here, 15 plus 16, it's a 31. 31 divided by 2, it's a 15.5. Yes, 15.5. So that 0.5 terminates and giving 15. Reason, L plus H, it's an integer. 2 is integer. So integer by integer, result is integer. So getting 15. Simply getting 15. Okay, right? Now middle value is 15, right? 15. So middle index is 15. Middle index is 15, right? 15. See, middle index is 15. Now middle, this number here, this number, right? 15. So yeah, 15 or 73. Yes, your number are same. 73, W equal 73. Yes, true. 73 W equal 73. It's a true. Yeah, then your number found at E of M. That means E of 15. What is M value? 15. Your number found at E of 15. Then exit. That's it. That's it. Okay, so this is searching for, yes, 73 like this. Okay, let us run this one here. Let us run this. Okay, 1 second. Run as. Okay, 1 second. Error, sir. Run as. Enter number 73. Your number found it. Yeah, 15. That's it. Your number found it. Yeah, 15. Okay, right? No. Let us search for 25. Let us search for 25. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 14. Yes, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19. Okay, fine. Arshit waits. After finishing that, you have to answer yesterday's example and this example. After finishing this example, you have to answer. That is my question actually. After finishing this example, I will be asking this question. Same question you asking. You have to answer. Okay, practically explain 2 examples. Yesterday linear search, and binary search. Two examples explained. Then you have to decide which one is a faster. Wait. We'll decide. Wait. Now, searching for 25. Enter number you want to search. Suppose your number is now 25. Your number is 25. L equals 0, H equal to, yes, L value here, it's a L value. So L value, your number 25, L value 0, next H value. So H value is 19. Correct? Now middle value, it's a, yes, 19, yes, 0 plus 19 by 2, 9. 9 is a middle value. So 9, it's a middle value. 47 is a middle value. 9. Okay, so index 9. Index 9 is a middle value. Num w equal to, what is num? It's a 25. 25. W equal to middle value. Yes. 47 false. Go to else what? Your number 25 greater than 47 false. Else H equal to M minus. This part executes. H equal to M minus 1. H equal to M minus 1. 9 minus 1, it's 8. Now 8. So lowest index 0, highest index 8. So between 0 and 8. Now searching between 0 and 8. That's here. Between this element, 0 and 8. 0 and 8, right? Okay, 0 and 8. So lowest index, highest index, got it here. After that, go to bottom. Yes, go to starting. L is less than or equal to H. L. What is L value? 0. What is H value? 8. Okay, so it's a true. Now again make it off. L plus H by 2 here. L plus H by 0 plus 8 by 2 is a 4. It's a 4, right? 4. Yes, middle value is now 4. It's a 4. It's a 4, right? It's a 4. A of 4. What is A of 4? It's a 21. A of 4 is 21. Yes, your number is W equal to, yes, A of 4 21 false. Go to L spot. Your number is greater than, yes, that A of M. Yes, your number. What is your number here? Sorry. Your number is 25. Your number is 25. The 25 greater than A of M. 25, yes, 25 greater than A of M. Yes, true. Is it 21? Your middle index is 4. 25 greater than that middle, it's a true. L equal to M plus 1. The lowest index changes here. Lowest index. L equal to M plus 1. So what is M value? 4. Now it becomes now 5. Lowest index is 5, highest index 8. That means between 5 and 8. This one is searching. Okay, again changes, right? Yes, after that. Next again go to starting. L is less than or equal to H. 5 is less than or equal to 8. It's a true. It's a true here. Now again make it off. L plus H by 2. 5 plus 8 by 2. 13 by 2 means, yes, it's a 6. 6. 6. So middle value 6. So A of 6. M is 6 means A of 6. So what is A of 6 is 30. A of 6 is 30. A of 6 is 30. So what is your number? 25. 25 W equal 30 false. Go to L spot. Num is greater than this. 25 greater than 30 false. Else H equal to M minus 1. So what is H value here? H value M minus 1. 6 minus 1, it's a 5. It's a 5. That value becomes highest index now 5. Next after this, go to bottom. Yes, again go to starting. L is less than or equal to H here. 5 less than or equal to 5. It's true. M equal to L plus H by 2. 5 plus 5 by 2, it's a 5. Simply this is 5. Number is 25. 25 W equal to A of 5. A of M. M is 5. M is 5. A of M is A of 5. So what is A of 5? Well, 25. That's it. Matched here. 25 matched. 25 matched. So num is W equal to A of M. Yes, matched. Your number found at this location. That's then exit option. Okay, right? That's it. Now here, let us see about conditioning here. Okay. First, let us try this one here. Run as 1 second, some error. Yes, enter number you want to search. 25. 25. Yes, your number found it A of 5. Your number found it A of 5. Your number found it A of 5. Okay. Yes, now what is why L is less than or equal to H? See, index L, first L starting 0, maybe jumping to this position, maybe jumping this position. That means L is moving to right side. When come to H, H is moving to left. Yes, L value is increasing, H value decreasing, right? Somewhere, some at middle may be meeting. Yes, both meeting at some point here, maybe at this position meeting here, maybe at this position meeting. That means L is less than or equal to H. L is always less than or equal to H. Otherwise, element is not found. L is less than or equal to H. Otherwise, element is not found. Number is not found. Now value system dot out dot println. Okay. Yes, your number not found. Your number not found. Your number not found. Now run it here. Run as this is. Yes, send a number. Searching for 20. Yes, your number not found. Your number not found. Your number not found. Run as suppose 55. Yes, your number not found. Your number not found. Run as yes 50. Okay. Yes, your number found at E of 10. E of 10, right? E of right, okay. Yes, E of 10. So that's it. This searching for number. Searching for number is like this. Okay, 1 second. Yes, in this here, exit, okay. Fine, okay. In place of exit, I want is break. Suppose if I'm using break, what happens? Yes, length is not a function. Length is a variable. Length is not a function. Function means you will see like this. Open bracket, close bracket. Right. If it is function, you can see like this. Open bracket, close. That is function. It's not a function. It's a variable. Length is a variable from JVM. Length is a variable from the JVM. Okay, it's there in document. Yes, in previous class already explained about length variable. Length is a variable from the JVM, not from any Java package. Length is not from any package like java.lang or something like this. Length is not from any package. It's a direct variable from the JVM. Length is a direct variable from the JVM. Okay. Fine. Now here, yes. Yes, now your number not found. Your number not. Suppose if I'm using break, here, what happens? Enter number. Suppose number is 25. Yes, your number found it A of 5. Your number found it A of 5 and your number not found. Two outputs. Your number found it A of 5. Your number not found. So what is happening here? Your number found it A of 5. That message is displaying. After break. Break is terminating loop, right? After terminating loop here, yes, control commit expression. Yes, break statement. Taking out of value. After finishing value, what is next here? Your number not found. Yes, how to handle this scenario? How to handle this? Yes, same yesterday already we have discussed. Same scenario yesterday we have discussed. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed about same what we have seen searching techniques. Yesterday we used some variable, right? What is that variable? Here it's a yes or no scenario, right? It's yes or no. Yes or no. Yes, yesterday, yes. Flag variable, search flag. Yes, Boolean variable, Boolean, search flag. Yesterday taken search flag. Take search flag. Search flag is equal to, so initially here false. Search flag is false. Search flag false, right? Search flag false. Suppose if it is found, search flag is true. Make it true. If it is number is found here, search flag is now true. That's it. Make it true. Search flag is true, right? Okay, Boolean flag variable. Search flag is somewhere matching. Search flag is true here. The if true means number found here. Okay. Yes, search flag is false. Suppose somewhere matching flag value becomes true. Otherwise false only. Also now check it. If yes, search flag. Okay, search flag. Yes, if search flag value is w equal to false, If it's W equal to false, your number not found. Okay, run as Java application. Yes, say this. Suppose 25. See that only one output we got. Previously 2 outputs. Now only one output we got it here. Using that flag concept here. Okay. Suppose number 30. Yes, your number found it F6. Correct? Yes, next. Yes, suppose 20. Your number not found. Correct? Same thing, if such flag W equal to false, instead of checking for this, not a false. Yes, such flag is true, right? Such flag is true. Sorry, such flag is false initially here. Okay. Such flag is true. Sorry, such flag is false. Suppose matching true. No, such flag is what? False. Nowhere matching. If nowhere matching, such flag is false. False. No. If now what is a false? Not a false but true. Your number not found, displaying this message. Even like this also. But logic, instead of W equal to false are checking it directly. Correct? Yes. 20 search. 20. Not found. Not found. Your number not found. Okay. Or like this. Suppose initially this is make it to reverse. Make it true. This is false. This is false. Suppose your number is found me making false. That case remove this. If true means your number not found. Okay. If true. If true, such flag is true. Suppose somewhere found here, that becomes false. But this is looks like odd. This code looks like odd here. Initially false means number not found. False means not found. False. Initially make it false here. Looks like odd. So this is no. This is correct one. Initially such flag make it false. Make it false. Initially make it false. Suppose if it is found, yes, found, make it true. It's a true. Your number found it. Your number found it. Your number found it. Correct? Yes, not of this or else still. Yes, doubt is there. Yes, suppose if it is false only here, number not found. If such flag is value is false, if such flag is W equal to false, if such flag is false, your number is not found. Suppose somewhere matched here, somewhere matches such flag value becomes true. Somewhere matching such value, such flag value becomes true. Otherwise, false only. False means not found. That's it. False means not found. Okay. Yes. Why we are using coding contest like M test? What is the significance of it? Okay, fine. Yes, these are your doubts. Your doubts. Why we are using coding contest like L M plus M? What is the significance of this? Meaning you ask. Okay. Once again, here index 0, this index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5 like this. Some 47, some suppose 25. 25 found at index 17 as Java application C. 25 enter key. Your number found at EF5. This I want to display message. Output message. This is output message. What is output message? Yes, your number found at EF5. Your number found it. This is right. Your number found it. This is right. See, starting text. This is text. Your number found it. Up to bracket is a text. What is 5? 5 is a value from the, yes, this also text. This also text. What is 5? What is 5? 5 is a value from the variable M, right? Yes, middle index M. M contains 5. Okay, the 5 is a value from the M. So how I can display M value here? So concatenation of that variable. Yes, C plus. In place of 5, use M. Value of M is 5. To display that 5. 5 is a value from the M. Yes, that yes, middle index, your number found at E of M. That location, middle index. See, num W equal to E of M. If it is matching, that index value should display. That index value M should be displayed. That's it. That's the reason using this is. Okay. Yes. Fine. Yeah, this is about binary search. Binary search, right? Now in this binary search here, there are some conditions here. In binary search, elements must be ascending order only. In binary search, so in Facebook, they will maintain all the accounts in ascending order. Not only Facebook here, any application they will maintain ID in ascending order. Yes, maintaining ascending order only. So data in ascending order. So but data in ascending order, that case go for binary search. Binary search implementation. Data must be in ascending order. So simply go for binary search. Next, one more condition is must be unique value. Ascending order and unique value. Ascending order and unique value. In binary search, yes, that binary search must be in ascending order and unique value. Ascending order and unique value. In binary search, elements must be ascending order and unique value. Yes, when come to linear search here, yes, it can be randomly and duplicate, no problem. Now scenario where ascending order unique value, go for binary search. Okay, scenario where randomly, that case go for linear search. Randomly elements here, next duplicate elements, go for linear search. Yes, when you searching based on ID field is unique ID, no doubt. ID field is always unique value. ID field is unique value and ascending order. Simply go for binary search. Suppose searching based on salary, linear search. By name, by department, by the month, Jan month, Feb month, like searching except ID. Yes, other fields go for linear search. Except ID, other fields go for linear search. So by name, there's a duplicate names, right? There are some duplicate names. Department number, okay, right? Yes, many employees in same department, right? Department number. Next, gender, male. Many employees male, right? Many employees female here. But when come to ID, yes, employees having only one ID here, unique ID. ID is unique, but when come to other fields here, other fields. One second, let me show that also. Suppose let me show some real data for better understanding. Here, this kind of searching techniques we are going to discuss at the end. In files data processing concept is there. That time I'll explain. That time we'll discuss some real time project related concept. That time we'll discuss. Okay. Tiger. Scott Tiger. Just a minute. See, select star from EMP table. Select star from EMP table. See this EMP table. See here in this EMP table, when you searching by ID, see EMP number, it's unique value. This unique value. It's unique value. No duplicates. Right, okay. Suppose searching by job. Suppose I want manager. Now is the manager, next one, duplicate records. First manager, next manager, next manager. Yes, next here also one more manager. Duplicate elements, right? Yes, many number of managers, many number of records. That case go for linear search, linear search, linear search. From beginning to end. Yes, we should search beginning to end compulsory. Suppose in binary search, whenever match, simply stop there because that is unique value. Ascending order, unique value. We should go for binary search. Okay, right? Yes, next. Searching based on department, 10th department. Yes, this employee is 10th department. Next, one more employee, one more employee, one more employee, one more employee. Duplicate. There are some duplicate records. Okay. Yes. That case, we should go for this. Okay, right? Yes. So this is linear search and binary search like this. Now, so depends on requirements you have to use. Okay, right? Now here comes linear search, binary search. Which one gives a better performance? Suppose elements and ascending order and unique value. Now which one giving more performance? Is it binary search or linear search? See, elements are already in ascending order. Elements and ascending order and unique value. Elements are ascending order, unique value. Okay, ascending order, unique value. That case, which one giving more performance here? Linear search or binary search? Obviously binary search, because we are dividing off. Okay, suppose for example here, searching for 73, searching for 73. Yes, 19, yeah, this is 18, 17, 16, and this is index 15. Index 15 means 16 loops are required to reach to 73. To reach to 73, just 15 loops are required. So binary search means first divide into of 47, next divide into of somewhere 70 here, next of 73 like this. So within 4 loops we have reached. In our example, 4 loops. It was taken for 4 times, 4 loops. Okay, to reach to 73, 4 loops enough. Same thing if it is linear search, how many here? 15 loops required. 15 loops required. Okay, suppose for example here, so Facebook data. Yes, how many? 260 crores, right? 260 crores of records. Okay, so for linear search, suppose your record position is 200 crores of position here. This position, right? Position, yes, this case. Yes, to reach to 200 position, yes, your application has to, yes, check for 200 crores of times, means 200 millions times here. 200 millions means lot of time taken, right? Yes, instead of this, make it off. Yesterday, what is Facebook strategy we discussed? So first dividing into 26 components, A to Z, 26 components. Again, each component again divided 26. See, starting with A, one component, starting with B, another component, starting with C, another component, D, another component, like 26 components, right? 26 components. Yes, in these 26 components again, yes, second character A, second character B, second character C, like this. So this A, the first component A again divided into 26, right? Okay, that means finally here each component contains only 40 lakhs of records. 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs of 40,000. 40. Yeah, yesterday we discussed about this. Okay, yes. 40 lakhs of records. 40 lakhs of records. Yes, if you are applying binary search, what happens here? 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, next to 5 lakhs, yes, next to 2.5 lakh, 2.5 lakhs here, yes, next after 60,000, yes, sorry, 2.5, yes, 1.25 lakh, okay, next 60,000, yes, 30,000, yes, next 15,000, yes, next 7.5, 7.5, okay, yes, next 3.75, okay, right, yes, next, yes, 1 point, yes, 8, yes, next, yes, 9,000, yes, 9,000, yes, sorry, 900, 900, yes, next 4, yes, 450, 900 after 900, 450, 225, 225, after 225, just 110 records, next 105, like dividing off like this, sorry, 55, yes, next of 55, next 27, 27, next 13 records, yes, 6th records, next 3rd records, next one reaching 1. So how many here? Yes, 3 plus 3, 6, 9, yes, 12, 15, 18, 21. Within 20 loops, 21 loops reaching that location. Yes, max 30 loops, not more than that. Even very big data set within 30 loops that can reach to that location. That gives a more performance. Linear search, less performance. So binary search strategy here. Binary search. Okay, so depends on requirements. You have to use such kind of searching techniques. Yes, including duplicate elements you want to search, go for linear search. Okay, suppose unique elements. That case we should go for binary search. That's it. Okay, right? Yes. Right, okay. So linear search and binary search is like difference is that here. So binary search will give the more performance. Binary search can give the more performance. Okay, right? Yeah. So about linear search and binary search. Yes. It's about searching techniques. That's all about linear search and binary search. Okay, right? Yes. Next. Yes. Next topic is command line parameters. Command line parameters. Yes. After finishing command line parameters, next we'll go to double dimensional arrays. Yes, what is command line parameter? Once again, command prompt, D drive, yes, CD, test, go to test folder, dir, cls, C. Yes, cls, dir, yes, once again, del, star dot class, deleting dot as well, cls. So next, about linear search, binary search. Next, command line parameters, command line parameters. What are these concepts? Command line parameters. Okay, command line parameters. How is command line parameters? What is command line parameter? See here, Java C test.java. Okay, now here Java C is a compiler. For this compiler parameter is for test.java. Java C compiler taking test.java. Now test.java is a parameter for Java C compiler. Test.java is a parameter for the Java C compiler. Okay, yes, run it. Compile here. No, run it. Yes, Java test. Java means JVM. For JVM, test is a parameter. Test is a parameter. Enter key. Yes, hello world. Now here, Java test. Hello, Java world. I'm passing some parameters like this. See, test is a parameter for the JVM. Now here, hello Java world. These are the parameters for the test program. Test is your program. For your program, hello Java world. Hello Java world, these are the parameters. How to read these parameters? How to read these command line parameters? Okay. See, notepad, test.java. Yes, open this. Yes. See, public class test. So this is your program. In this main method is a string array function. String array function. Now what happens here? These parameters, hello Java world, these three parameters passes to aux array, square brackets aux array. Now this aux array contains how many elements? Like see, array A, square brackets. Okay, like aux, right? Like that aux. Okay, array A, square brackets and array name, right? See this, square brackets and array name. So string array function, this string array function. Okay, so this string array function, right? Array function. Okay, right? Now aux. Now this aux is the array name. That array generates with these elements here. Now we are passing three parameters. When we passing three parameters, that array generates with three elements. First one aux of 0. See, first one aux of 0. Yes, aux of 0 value is equal to, yes, first parameter hello passing hello, generating as aux of 0, Java generating as aux of 1, world generating as aux of 2. Okay, right? Yes, this, yes, aux of 0 is a hello. Right, okay, next aux of 1. Yes, aux of 1. Yes, aux of 1. Java generating as aux of 1. Next aux of 2. Yes, world generating as aux of 2. So when you passing like this here, hello Java world, these three space is separated between parameter. First parameter space, second parameter space, third parameter. These three parameters. This is your test program. After test, hello Java world. These three are the parameters. Okay. Yes. Hello Java world. These three are parameters. Hello Java world. These are parameters. These three parameters passing to, yes, string aux, right? String aux passing to this one. Sorry. Yes, passing to array function. So args of 0 contains hello. Args of 1 contains Java. Args of 2 is world. Now let us see. System.out.println. Yes, args of 0. No, 1 second. Yes, fires. Fires. I have printed directly. That is hello world printed directly. No, hello world I have printed directly. Now I'm printing args of 0 value. Args of 0 value I'm printing. Args of 0 printing here. Okay, that hello world directly printed previously. Next args of 0, args of 1, next args of 2. Okay, so args of 0 hello, args of 1 Java, args of 2 world. Okay, right? 1 second. 1 second. Yes, args of 0, args of 1, args of 2. Let us compile this. Save this program. Program saved here. After saving program here, Java C test Java compile. After compilation, now see this. After compilation, yes, run it. Hello is the first one. This is args of 0, Java args of 1, yes, worlds args of 2, args of 2. Okay, right? Suppose here, for example, here, yes, Java Python. See that passing as args of 0. Yes, Java passing as args of 1. Python passing as args of 2. See that args of 0, args of 1, args of 2. That's it here. So args of 0, args of 1, args of 2 here. Args of 0 value. Args of 0 value is wait. As wait. I'll explain all these scenarios. Wait. Args of 0. So first hello. Yes, here mnr is the args of 0. So first one. Java is the args of 1. Java. Next Python is args of 2. Okay. Fine. Now in this, now how many elements we are passing? System.out.println. Number of elements. Yes, how many number of params? How many params we are passing? Let us count that parameters. Number of params. So how to get number of parameters? See, args of 0, args of 1, args of 3 elements, right? 3 elements. Array contains how many elements? 3 elements. Args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, right? How to get number of elements in array? How to get what is array name? Args. Args is the array name. Args is the array name. Args is the name of array. How to get number of elements in args array here? How to get number of elements in args array? See, args array is generating with args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, 3 elements generating. How to get number of elements here? How to get number of elements in array? Int n is equal to args.length, right? Args.length. Yes, args.length. Args.length gives number of elements in array. Yes, correct or not? Args.length. Args.length gives number of elements in args array. Args array generates. Okay. Yes, now display the n value plus n. Display n value. Yes, now args.length. Okay. Now compile it. CLS Java C compile it. After compilation, now I'm submitting. Yes, now this case I'm not passing any parameters. Enter key. 1 second. Test series. Number of parameters equals 0. Means that args array not generated. Yes, args array. No elements, 0 number of elements. 0. Yes, args.length is 0. Means that array don't have any elements. It's empty array. Args array is there, but it's empty array. No elements. Suppose now let us pass mnrow. Yes. Number of parameters equal 1. Right? Number of parameters equal 1 here. That mnrow, right? Mnrow. How to display mnrow will discuss. Number of parameters equal 1. So 1 parameter, right? Suppose mnrow Java, passing Java, right? So number of parameters equal to 2. Now 2 parameters. mnrow and Java. That means mnrow Java passing to that main method array of args. So 2 parameters. Args of 0 mnrow, args of 1 Python. Okay, Python or Java. Okay, Java. So args of 0 mn raw, args of 1 Java, right? Now Python. I'm passing one more. Yes, number of parameters equal to 3. Suppose Hadoop. I'm passing Hadoop. Number of parameters equal to 4. Okay. Yes, passing one more. 5. Okay, Linux. Yes, 6. Yes, Unix. 7. That's it here. Number of parameters. Okay, number of parameters, right? Number of parameters. No number of parameters here. Okay. Yeah, right. Same Harshit. Argv. In C language, argument counter argument variable. Okay, argument counter and argument variable. Main function. C exactly same as like C language. In C language, main function, yes, int argc, yes, char star argv array, argv array here, argv argument variable array here, comma, yes, char star env, that env. Okay, yes, env, that is C language main function. Yes, argument counter is nothing but args.length. Argv is nothing but args. Next, environment. These to read environment variables in C language. Java, we have a different way to read environment variables. Reading environment variables later we'll discuss. Okay, not Java. In Java here, args. Okay, number of args. See here how many 7 args passed. Means args array generated with 7 elements. Args array generated with 7 elements here. Args array generated with 7 elements. That args array contains 7 elements. See what is args.length? Yes, args.length, array name.length. Array name. Yes, args is the array name. That array name.length gives number of elements in array. So how many? The 7 getting it. N value is 7. So when you passing 7 parameters, here, then output is 7. So passing 6 means 6. Passing 5 means 5. Passing 4 means 4. Passing 3 means 3. Passing 2 means like this. Right? 0, 1 to like this. These number of parameters. Okay. Now this mn raw generating is args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, args of 3, args of 4, args of 5, args of 6. Okay. Now how to display all the parameters here? Now using for loop, right? For this you can for loop here. For yes, for int I equal to 0, high is less than args.length, like a array. Same, it's a part of array. That's the reason here I'm explaining here. Okay, in arrays is arrays topic here. I equal 0, I is less than args.length. Next I plus this. Starting for loop here. Yes, system.out.println args of I, right? Yes. Now what happens here? Yes, I will suppose 7 parameters passing. Here we are passing 7. Right? 7 parameters. So what is args.length value? Says 7. Args.length is 7. So first I value 0. Now system.out.println args of 0. So first args of 0 value. What is args of 0 value? Mn raw. Args of 0 mn raw. First one is args of 0. So displaying mn raw, right? Displaying mn raw. After that I plus this. I value is now 1. I value 1. 1 is less than args.length. 1 is less than args.length. It's a true. 1 is less than 7. It's a true. Now args of 1. Displaying args of 1. Args of 1 displaying. Next args of 2 displaying. Args of 3. Args of 4. Args of 5. Next args of 6. Half displaying args of 6 here. I plus this. What is I value? 7. 7 less than 7 false. Loop terminates. That's it here. Loop terminates. Okay. Now run it here. Save. Yes. Let us compile. Compile. Java C. Java tester Java compiles. After compilation, now let us run this one here. Java test. Number of parameters equal 0. Now I'm passing Unix. Yes. Number of parameters equal to 1. Unix. First parameter Unix, right? Number of parameters equal to 1. Displayed Unix, right? Unix. Suppose Java. Yes. Unix displayed. Next Java displayed. Okay, right? Next Linux. See that Linux displayed. Next Python. Yes, Python displayed. Okay. Yes, next. Suppose Hadoop. Yes, Hadoop. Yes, number of parameters equal to 5. 5 parameters. Okay, right? Suppose Oracle dispatch. Suppose HTML. Yes, 7 parameters dispatch. Okay. Suppose Spark. Yes, right. That's it. Okay. Yeah. C language. Yes. C language like C language pointers here. Aux is array. Aux is array. Array. Array is nothing but reference concept. Array is a reference concept. Okay. Array of aux. Square brackets aux. Array of aux. So this is to read command line parameters. Reading command line parameters like this. So this is command line. Okay. Yes. See. Java, nothing but JVM. Java means JVM. Test is your dot class file. Yes, to the dot class file we are passing. Yes, they are the parameters. 8 parameters are passed to your Java program. This is most important topic in real-time projects. Most important command line parameters are very important real time. Okay, so these all the command line parameters. Yes, command line. See, this is called as command line, right? See, command prompt enter CLI. Yes, it's a CLI command line interface, right? So what are the requests submitting? This is called as command line. This whole thing is called as command line. This whole thing up to enter key. Enter key means what? Line, right? Enter key up to enter key. Is a line, right? Line. Okay. So line. Now this whole thing is command line. It's a command line interface, right? It's a command line. Command line parameters. Command line. Now these are the parameters. This is your commands. Java test is a command. For its parameters, they are parameters here. This is command and these are parameters. So this is command to run your Java program. Java test is a command to run Java program. Java test is a command to run Java program. Its parameters are these things. Its parameters like this. So these are our command line parameters. Suppose one more example. For example, D here. Suppose copy DOS command. Copy test.java. Yes, test.java. Copying to file 1. Yes, copying to file 1. Copy it. Now what is copy? It's a command. Copy is a command. Now these are what parameters. For copy, these are the parameters. For copy command, copy is a command. For this, these are the parameters. Copy, 2 parameters. Source and destination. There are 2 parameters. There are parameters here. First one is command, copy command. Copy command taking 2 parameters. So one is source, another one destination. Okay, right? These are parameters here. Parameters. Yes. So copy. This is C program. Yes, this is arg. Yes. Yes, argv of 0, argv of 1. This is argv of 0. C language argv of 0, argv of 1. Yes, in Java, same thing here. Java. Same thing in Java here. Same thing in Java here. Java test is a command to run the Java here. To run the Java. Now they are the parameters. These all things passing as parameters. All the parameters, they're command line parameters. These are command line parameters. Okay, right? About command line parameters. Yes. Suppose these command line parameters within whole thing within double quotations. Yes, passing a single parameter. Suppose for example here. Suppose yes, my name Nageshwar. Just one like this, only one parameter. Suppose I want pass Rao. Okay, series. The displaying has 2 parameters. Yes, first line and second separate line, right? But I want same line. Yes, as a name, as a single parameter. That's it. Okay, suppose one more. Suppose last name adding here, right? That's it here. This whole thing, right? This is suppose no double quotes separately. That is not correct, right? Separately here, Nageshwar, first name, middle name, and last name. Yeah, these whole thing we should pass as single parameter. Okay, now but here passing as first parameter, second parameter, third parameter. Such kind of scenarios, then you can use like this. Use double quotes, single parameter. Okay, right? Yes, next one more example. For example here, yes, Durga, yes, software. Durga Software Solutions Private Limited, right? This whole thing is only one name of the institution, but giving us 5 parameters. Now let us make it single parameter. Within double quotes. That's it. Make it single parameter. Double quotes. When we passing double quote, it's a single parameter. That's it. That is using double quotes. When we passing double quote, single parameter. No double quote, it's a 5 parameters. That's it. Okay. Okay, fine. Now same thing. These are the command line. Okay, command line. The command prompt, right? Same thing in Eclipse. How to pass the command line parameters. Command line parameters in Eclipse. Here. Okay, system dot out dot println. Yes, number of params. Number of params is equal to yes aux dot length, right? Aux dot length. Is number of parameters. Okay, 1 second. This is not necessary. Yes, aux dot length number of parameters. Right click, run as run configuration. Here is a run configuration. See, running Java applicate directly without any parameters. Now passing parameters. Run configuration. Go to run config. Click on run configuration. You can see here. Here you can see 1 second. Already test is there. Here delete. Okay. Yes, now you get Java application. Double click on Java application. Yes, now your name of program file is tested. Test is a program file. For this program file, we are passing arguments here. Argument main, argument tab. Here is a hello Java world. Hello Java world. Apply, run. Series. Number of parameters equal to 3. Number of params 3, right? Number of params 3 here. Okay, right click, run as run configuration. Yes. In this, yes, Linux, Java, Unix, Python. Okay, suppose mnref. Next Hadoop. Okay, next Spark. Okay, Scala. Something like this. HTML. Suppose Oracle. All is right. Yes. Apply means that will save. Then run. See that. Number of parameters equal 10. Number of params are 10, right? 10 parameters. Okay. Note displaying here. For loop. For int I is equal to 0 here. I equal to 0. 5 is less than aux dot length. Next I plus. Starting here. System dot out dot println. Yes, aux of I. Displaying a value. So number of parameters equal to the number of count, display parameter count here. Next, like previous example here, aux of 0, aux of 1, aux of like this. Now run as run configuration. Yes, test arguments. Already arguments are there. Right? Now run it here. See that. Number of parameters equal 10. Linux, Java, Unix, Python, mnref, Hadoop, Spark, Scala, like this. All this here. All this right. Now run as run configuration. Arguments. Let us remove some arguments here. This is apply means save. Yes, run here. Yes, it is Linux, Java, Unix, Python, mnref. Okay, right? Same thing. Yes, run configuration. Now same thing. Make it double quotes. Apply, run. See, only one parameter. Whole thing passing as one parameter. So this is passing command line parameters to Java program using Eclipse in Eclipse. I'm repeating topic once again here. See here, this is a test. Delete that. Yes. Delete it, close. See, right click, run as run configuration. Here it's go to here. Java. Here this is a Java application. Double click on Java application. You can see test program. Test.java file. It's a test.java file. Okay, right? Yes. Arguments. Go to arguments. Here you can submit here. Okay. Yes. Hello Java world. Hello Java world. Hello Java world. Hello Java world. Apply and run it. Yes, you can see. Yes, number of parameters equal to 3 here. First is hello, next is Java, next is world. That's it. Okay, that's it here. Now run as run configuration, run configuration. Suppose hello Java within double quotation. So hello Java is the first parameter. Second one is world here. Hello Java is the first parameter. Second one is world. Apply, run it here. See, hello Java is a first parameter. World is a second parameter. Hello Java first parameter. World is a second parameter. That's it here. Is using double quotes. Okay. Yes. Yes. We can run either GUI or command prompt also, but real time it's a command prompt. Yes, in Eclipse we'll develop the application that is submitting at the command line. In real time is command line. In real time using command line. Command prompt. In real time is command prompt. Real time is this is the real time. Okay, it's a real time. Okay, in real time no Eclipse here. Once application development completed, that projects suppose application project completed. Right click, yes, export. Exporting as jar file. Yes, the Java jar file here. Exporting as jar file. So easily picture Java jar file. Once export as Java jar file here, nowhere Eclipse. Nowhere Eclipse here. The jar file should be run at command line here. Yes, how to create jar file we'll discuss next. Creation of jar file we'll see next. This is not a right time to discuss. We have separate topic to create jar file. That time we'll discuss. Okay. So this is about command line parameters concept here. Command line parameters. 1 second. Aux is array, right? Aux is array. Aux is array. If it is array, we can use for each loop also. For keyword contour space for each see aux, yes, og, correct, yes, system dot out dot println or displaying the target from aux getting first one and ascend arg, then displaying here. Aux getting second argument and ascend is displaying here. Third argument ascend arg, then displaying. That's it here. Okay, using for each loop. Same thing using for each loop. We can use for each loop. Java application 1 second, run as run configuration. Is a test. Go to aux here. Remove double quote. Yes, hello Java world. Apply, run it. See this. Hello Java world. Hello Java world. That's it. Hello Java world. Getting like this. That's it here. Okay. So using for each loop, we can display like this. For each loop, we can use like this. For each loop. For each loop. Same for each loop. Here also is no issue. Here also is for each loop. For each loop. Array of elements displaying here. For each loop. For each loop. See, compile Java C. Okay, 1 second. Java C test.java compile. After compile, now let us run this. See this. Right. Yes, for each loop. Now use the for each loop here. Using for each loop displayed here. Okay, right? That's it. Using for each loop. Okay. Yes, for each loop. Right? Yes. I think it's clear, right? About command line parameters, most important topic in Java. This is a real-time projects. Most of the times using command line parameters. Everywhere this command line parameters available here. In C language available. In C language available. C++ available. In Python it's there. In Java it's there. In Scala it's there. On .NET. Without command line parameters, no technology in the market. Every technology is having this command line parameters concepts. Everywhere it's there. It's compulsory. You must have this knowledge compulsory. Okay. Yes, here after finishing arrays, expand command line, right? You can understand now because array is completed. Single dimensional array is completed. Now you can understand. So before finishing single dimensional array, beginning itself I explained what happens here. See, first day we discussed about hello world program. Hello world program, right? Hello world. Hello world. With the hello world program itself, I'll experiment with command line parameters. Can you understand that time here? Suppose with hello world program, I'll experiment command line parameters. Can you understand? You can't understand because you don't know about arrays. Okay, that time we don't know about arrays, right? Now arrays completed. As you have arrays knowledge, you have the arrays knowledge here, then easy to understand. That's the reason I explained here. So since you have the arrays knowledge, then easy to understand command line parameters. Yes, right time, right topic we should discuss. Right time, right topic we discuss. Suppose first example, hello world. In hello world example itself, if I explain about command line parameters, you can't understand. Okay, because you don't know about arrays that time. Without knowing arrays, you can't understand. That's the reason. After finishing single dimensional arrays, this topic is explained. That's it. That is order of explanation. Link. There must be a link between the topics here. Otherwise, you can't understand. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Okay. So that's all about single dimensional arrays and the command line parameters. Okay. Right? Yes. It's there in document. Just you follow document, same explanation. Okay. Yes. Don't have the pointers in Java. In Java, no pointers concepts. Java, no pointers concept. Don't worry. Okay. Java don't have the pointers, but internally using pointers only. Yes. As a developer, you can't use pointers, but Java internally working with pointers. That concept also I'll explain. Yeah, implicitly, yes, right. Internally, Java internally using pointers. See, this ox nothing is a pointer actually. It's a pointer. Internally, it's a pointer. That oxer is a pointer. It's a pointer. Oxer is a pointer actually here. It's a pointer. It's a pointer. Okay. Yes, a reference variable. Okay, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's all about this. Next is two-dimensional arrays. Yes, two-dimensional arrays. Yes, that time we'll see. Yes, memory management. 1 second here. Like stack concept, heap concept, how it's working. 1 second we'll see about memory management here. 1 second memory management in double-dimensional arrays. Yes. So next class we'll see about two-dimensional arrays. So Monday two-dimensional arrays finishing here. Tuesday methods. Wednesday whoops concept entering. Wednesday whoops will be entering. Right? Yeah, that's all. Yeah, finally, finance 100%. In files, I'll explain one real-time scenarios projects here. I'll explain. Sure, definitely. We'll discuss. 100% we'll discuss. Right? Yeah. So thank you guys. So next class on Monday. Tomorrow don't have the class. Next class will be on Monday. Right? Any doubts? Any doubts today? Yes, today no doubts, right? Yeah. So thank you. Yes. Yes. See you on Monday. So next class will be on Monday. Right? Yeah. Thank you.